Cancer is a complex disease.
10 million people died of cancer every year.
60% of the global cancer cases occur in low and middle income countries. And most of these countries are located in Africa.
Cancers tend to be more aggressive in African population groups. We're not quite sure whether it's only because of late diagnosis and whether the genetic makeup plays a very important role.
Growing knowledge of the human genetics are changing the way that the researchers and the physicians they approach cancer.
It's basically like customizing the treatment specially for you.
However, the majority of this genomic information comes from European ancestry, 78%. Only 2.4% are coming from African ancestry.
Studying the genome of the African population and using the European population as a reference genome is a little bit like trying to fit the parts of a Mercedes-Benz on a Ford car.
It means the precision medicine needs to be more diverse. To be more diverse, you need more genomic information of the African population. This genomic studies is exactly what we've been doing here in the Cancer Genomics group in Cape Town. We have many projects, but 3 of them are quite important. The first one is the prostate cancer, which is the second most common cancer globally. In African men is the first one in terms of incidence and mortality. We are doing this in collaboration with researchers in Nigeria and Sudan.
We're studying hepatocellular carcinoma, which is liver cancer, in South Africa, in Namibia, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique.
And the third one is the Wills tumor, which is also our most common malignancy in childhood. And there is a big difference between the outcomes of the disease in developed countries. The 5 years survival rate is around 90%, while in sub-Saharan Africa is only 25%. The main challenges to implement this research is how we link all the countries involved in the research. One way that we found here is to have researchers from all over the Africa continent with us.
The thing that makes the ICGEB Cape Town component unique is the diversity of the people that are doing research within our institute. We currently have more than 18 different nationalities that's doing research within our institute. ICGEB is the International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, and we've got 3 components. One in Trieste, Italy, one in New Delhi in India, and then this is the Cape Town component in South Africa. The idea with having an African component is for us to better address the needs for Africa. Our work in cancer research is addressing good health and well-being, which is Sustainable Development Goal number 3 of the United Nations Agenda 2013.
And also we are aligned with the SDG 4, which is educational, as we are promoting capacity building in the African continent. Many cancers can be cured if it's detected early and treated effectively. With the work that has been done within our Cancer Genomics group, we are enabling African scientists to study African population,
providing African solutions for the African population.